Hi everyone, and welcome to The Fix, where we cut through the confusion and solve the real blockers keeping small business from using AI effectively. My name is Craig Pateman, and it's very good to be with you today for this session of The Fix, where we answer the most common questions we've received over the week in regards to AI. And so The Fix is your weekly session where we answer the 5 most common AI questions we've heard this week. And if you've ever wondered how to actually use AI to improve your sales funnels, this is your week. On Wednesday in the AI Insight, we covered how to utilize AI for your sales funnels and to fix the leaks. And today we're going to answer 5 of the most common questions that came out of that session on Wednesday, and hopefully give you some clarification how you can move forward with utilizing AI with your sales funnels. So let's look at question 1. Can AI really read my website analytics and tell me what's wrong? Yes, AI can read your data, but it's not magic. As we know, AI looks for patterns in behavior that most people don't have time to see or can allocate time to see. You're busy doing things, and AI can do it much quicker than what you can do with the human eye and how you interact with the data. So you need to give AI data like traffic by source, time on page, drop-off rates, conversion numbers. And then you can ask your AI tool of choice, which pages gets visits but don't convert, and what's consistent about them. So an AI can find the why behind the what. Maybe the headline's unclear, maybe the mobile load time is slow. That's how AI shifts from reporting to diagnosis. So it's giving you an insight. AI doesn't replace analytics, it explains them. So you're busy doing things, talking to customers, and you know you should sit down and look at your Google Analytics and spend some time analyzing what's working with your website, or one of your staff would, or maybe you're thinking about maybe you should contract that out. The good thing is you have probably the best analyst you're ever going to have. Well, I would say the best analyst you're ever going to have in your AI tool of choice that's there with you, and you can use that tool to analyze your data on a daily, weekly, or monthly basis. So then you ask, the second question is, what questions should I ask AI about my data? And most people just ask, what happened? But that's what a dashboard will tell you. It will show you, give you a snapshot of what happened. To get the most from your AI tool of choice, you need to ask why and what next. So examples of that is, why are visitors leaving after 10 seconds? Which sources send high intent traffic? What's the quickest fix to increase conversions by 10%? So AI will be able to connect these dots for you, behavior plus source plus outcome, and can give you real outcomes, real steps you need to take, not just numbers. So the question is not what's my traffic, because you know that from the data. The question is, where am I losing opportunity? Or where am I not fulfilling potential? Or where is this not meeting its expectations? And or where can I improve? Where can I close the loop, so to speak? And that's where you'll get the real power of utilizing AI with your analytics. We move on to question 3. How does AI actually improve my funnel, not just analyze it? Well, you need to be clear about the fact that the biggest thing about AI that you want to get out of it is that it improves, and it improves by giving it feedback and giving it feedback on your actual outcomes. That's how AI will improve, and that's the powerful thing about AI, is that you can build a system that will keep on improving every day. Every day you feed it the data, it will improve, it will get better. So you think of AI as a loop, not a one-off report, not someone who does a quick analysis of your data and then there's nothing. Where it can help you is you think of it as a loop, as we said, diagnosis. So it gives you where the funnel is leaking. Then it can tell you what to fix, whether it's your copy, whether it's your layout, whether it's your offer. Then it can help you automate, either do an A/B test or to retarget to your audience or your preferred buyers. And then you can improve by feeding those results back into your AI tool of choice. It then analyzes again, suggests improvements, and you get that continual loop of improvement, continuous improvement. And this loop will keep tightening every week, faster than any manual review cycle, faster than you sitting down doing it, working your way through it. You now have a high-powered AI analyst, marketing analyst, expert copywriter at your fingertips who can give you steps to follow to improve your performance. As long as you keep feeding the data and then giving it the feedback, the results, what happened. And it's important to give it the context. If you change your targeting or you've changed your ad or your ad spend, if you let your AI tool choice know that, then you're going to get steps and actions to improve your performance. Let's move now into question 4. What are some early wins I can get using AI for lead generation? Like everything you do with AI, just start small and be very specific. Even when you're doing prompts and everything, the more context, the more specific it can be, the better the output you'll get. We all know that. We all know that from our own learnings when we're doing things and from our teaching our staff and our team. So you could use AI to summarize your heat map data. Where do users stop scrolling? If your heat map data is confusing you or you don't know where to start, let AI give you the first steps to work on that. It can help you generate follow-up emails for abandoned forms or carts. It can rewrite your call to actions or headlines on low-performing pages. It can even, and apologize that my picture, the video there of me comes up, but you can use predictive insights in Google Analytics 4 to spot high-value segments and focus ad spend on those particular segments. Now, each of these can add 1 or 2% more to your conversion rate improvement, and stacked together, one on top of the other, will really transform the performance of your funnel. So your next substantial increase in business won't come from more traffic. It will come from improving your conversion rate and having fewer leaks within your sales funnel, within the current traffic you'll get. You don't need to spend any more money on ads. Just to make sure you're getting the best return out of the money you're already spending. So fix the leaks, the issues, the problems in your current funnel. And question 5, how do I know if my AI-driven changes are actually working? Well, because you're going to measure movement, not noise. You're going to track before and after metrics, your conversion rates, your lead volume per traffic source, time on site for high intent visitors. You're going to give your AI tool a benchmark, where you are today with what you're doing. And then AI can use these to record where you've improved and why you've improved. And it will be able to tell you lifted your improvement rate, your conversion lift came from improving your mobile checkout. This means you will stop guessing and start scaling what works. You'll get feedback on actually what you need to improve, how to improve it, and then when you feed the data back into your AI tool of choice, you'll get a result of what happened and why this happened and what you need to now to continue that improvement. That is how you get AI to improve your sales funnels, your performance, and so that you're getting more value, more return on what you're currently spending without you having to spend more. And that's the power of AI for you. So stop chasing more visitors, start teaching AI to read the ones you already have. And the better the questions you give to your AI tool of choice, the clearer your next move, the clearer your next steps. And once you connect your data to direction, which way you want to go, you build a self-improving funnel, one that sells smarter every week. And eventually over time, when you feel comfortable with this process in terms of you take the data, you download it, you then upload it to your AI tool of choice and you ask the questions. Over time, you can then automate that. so that your data from Google Analytics or your data from Twitter or your data from your Facebook ads is automatically downloaded, fed to your AI tool of choice. It will analyze it, and it can do one of two things. It can send you a report, send you an email, send you whatever you're looking for, a Slack notice or whatever. So this is the results of this week. This is what you need to do, and you can go to do it. Or ultimately, you want to build it like it's an agent, and it will then go and fix the landing page copy, fix the pricing of your product, fix your email that goes out, changes the headline, runs an A/B test. That is what you're looking to get to with AI. And that's what we look to do when we build our AI growth operating system, is that eventually you get a system that operates by itself within guardrails to improve your performance. So that's us. Thank you for your attendance today. Really been good to catch up with you again today. If you've got any feedback, please leave us a comment. That's how we improve, by your feedback. Any questions you want us to answer in the future editions of The Fix, let us know. And if you're interested in maybe working with us or having us help you with your business, there are 3 ways to do it. We have the Small Business Pulse, which is a monthly subscription, $7 a month, where we send you developments on AI in terms of marketing and insights and workflows to improve your business. We do run 2 workshops a month. One is on AI and marketing, and one is on building an AI agent. Both workshops run for 4 hours. The marketing one is your 1 of 3, and the AI agent is a 1-on-1 workshop. And then we have 2 programs. One is called the AI Focus Engine, is where we come in and we build similar systems to as we've discussed today that will analyze your lead generation funnel and fix it. And then we do have a program called the AI Advantage, is where we will build for you 3 AI agents that can operate and help you with your business. So look out for those on our various social media posts and our website. If they're of interest to you, just drop us a note or a message, and we'll send you the link so you can read about them. But that's us for the week. It's Friday afternoon. I hope you've had a very productive and prosperous week, and that you've got a good weekend coming up. And look out for us next week on Friday again for The Fix, or on Wednesday when we present the AI Insight.